Good afternoon, this is Giuseppe Basile, I'm the analyst and trader. You can find at the blog www.fibonaccistalking.com. I also post regularly on Twitter using the @fibstalker nickname. Good afternoon, today is November the 7th, 2012 and it's 15 to 6 p.m. Italian time. I want to remind you that Italian time zone is GMT +1. This is a review for the Euro-Dollar FX continuous contract. You can see the daily chart on the screen, and the chart is a continuous contract aligned to the December expiration. You will remember in the last few days we identified a measure move lower and resistance level, and it hit the first target in 2630 area, and the second target was in 2730 area. Now you will remember I was looking for this level to be hit and a continuation lower into the 126.20 area, which is another area of support we have here. In the last weekend's trading plan for the euro, however, I also told you that I would watch some levels, because they would tell a violation of these levels on the upside would tell whether this area of support is being respected as a launch pad for the next big move of the euro higher, or whether we would see price moving into the 126.20 area. So I did a lot of activities in the last week, also trades I put on the swing trading model portfolio, and the only reason for that was to try to get into this move and not to lose it, because the move that is going to start for the euro, which is not due to euro's trend but to dollar weakness, is going to be in the thousands of pips. So I was happy to risk gains or a percentage of portfolio in order to get into this, to nail down this trade. Now, last night, one of the trades I took, let me remove this, was an extension short, and as we can see from the chart, this level in the 128.30 area, it's not easy to see, but it was respected yesterday. And during the Asian session we had the news of Obama re-election, and we had this fake move. I want to make you notice though that price equally got to the 127.50 target, even though this violation line was actually this stop loss was violated. Anyway, I was stopped up from this trade, and the most important thing is that I believe bulls were able to defend this level, the 127.40 today, and we are seeing the euro lateral basically before the close of the US session, whilst the ES is selling really hard. So I think there is a possibility that we saw the lows in the euro and we are starting a move higher, so I took positions on the swing trading model portfolio and on the cash edge model portfolio with a stop below the 127.38. That would be the level to watch. At the moment it doesn't seem price will keep going lower, but I expect a continuation higher. If that's not the case, I will evaluate again and we will consider the 126.20 area again. But at the moment it's possible that we get the start of the move from this area of support. Later on I will prepare and send a midweek update on the euro dollar, in which I'll speak about the divergence between the euro dollar and the SP 500 that I'm seeing at the moment. And this, I believe, is going to confuse a lot of people because because the euro and the SP 500 typically trade in lockstep, but we might be seeing the beginning of a divergence, so which means that the euro will keep going higher, and this will mainly be mainly due to dollar weakness, while the SP 500 will keep going lower because it's in measure move short on the daily chart, and the Fed will keep printing money in order to try to save the market, basically. But it's possible that we get another huge move lower like in 2008, and in fact I posted an article recently and that's related to the possible collapse of US stock indices. So I'm anticipating this. I'll delve onto this tomorrow in my midweek update. If you want to receive it, just subscribe to my newsletter. You can find the link on my blog fibonaccistalking.com. I wish you a very good evening, and I look forward to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.